Okay, let's try the last two factoring problems. Now, they're a bit more challenging because it's a difference of cubes. And if you don't know how a difference of cubes works, if you don't know this formula, that if you see a cubed minus b cubed, it's always, any two things cubed, it's always a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Gee, why does that work? Well, let's just take a look. A times a squared, that's a cubed. Minus b times b squared, that's minus b cubed. Well, we've got that. But look at all the other stuff. You see, I won't do them all, but if you go a times a, you'll get a squared b. But if you have minus b times a squared, you get minus a squared b, and it cancels. Everything else you multiply. There are 6 products. Four of the products cancel, and you just get this. Hey, it's pretty nice because if you have something like this, or something long and complicated like this, you can just write a cubed minus b cubed. Or you can factor it out, and you can cancel sometimes. But let's see, how do we factor this? Well, the first step is to realize that 2 cubed is 8, so it's 2a cubed. This first part here is the thing that's getting cubed, 2a. And b is really 3b is getting cubed, because 3 cubed is 27. Once you've recognized what a and b is, you can just write out the answer. It's always the first thing minus the second thing, times the first thing squared, plus 2 times them multiplied together, minus the second thing, 3b squared. And that's your answer. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, so that's 4a squared. 2 times 3 is 6, and then there's an ab there. 3 times 3 is 9. There's your final answer. That's how you do a difference of cubes. Now, you can get a question like this one here, and it's the same story. You just have to think, okay, this is a. X minus y is your a. And 1, well, 1 cubed is 1, so my b is just 1. So it's just a matter of using the same formula, but instead of a cubed, you write, instead of a cubed minus b cubed, instead of a, here, it's already done for us. It's x minus y. So you can write out your answer. It's x minus y minus b is just 1 here. You see, it's 1 cubed. So there's your first thing, a minus b times a squared, that's your x minus y squared, plus x minus 1 times 1, that's your ab, and then the last thing squared. Well, minus 1 squared is easy, it's just 1. 1 times x times minus, it's just x minus y. And x minus y, you have to multiply it out, you have to square it, and know that it's x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. You do FOIL on that. Or you know the formula that goes with squaring, and you can just write out the answer. And there's the whole thing, completely factored. Okay, I think that's the end of the factoring section.